Little friend, play with me. But he's so noisy they couldn't hear us bit. Then he played his loud saxophone so loud. But the bricks surely did not go.